Did you know that sometimes you have to give away money to actually make money? Meet Zachary, a tax accountant who helped others fix their finances while drowning in $35,000 of his own debt. Every day he showed clients how to manage money, then went home to credit card bills and sleepless nights. One evening, reading about Zacchaeus in the Bible, everything clicked. This tax collector gave away half his wealth and paid back everyone he had wronged. Zachary felt convicted. Within 30 days, he sold everything. His expensive car, designer clothes, gaming setup, collectibles, $18,000 raised through radical sacrifice. But here's what happened next. That act of giving didn't just pay down debt. It transformed his entire mindset from accumulation to stewardship. He found new income streams, negotiated payment plans, developed extreme discipline. 14 months later, completely debt-free. Sometimes the breakthrough you need isn't about making more money. It's about surrendering what you have.